Hey, what's going on, guys? Ryan here with Texsource Screen Printing Supply. I'm going to do a short instructional screen printing video today for you guys on how to remove unwanted ink stains from your clothes, your garments, that sort of thing. We've all been in the same situation where whether we've forgotten to tape up the registration marks on the screen, or we've printed an entire batch of shirts and haven't noticed the one pinhole that is on that shirt. We've all been there. Also, we've walked around their shop, somehow ink's jumped on our clothes, or we've accidentally touched a bucket, rubbed up on something, and then when we touch our garments, we've accidentally transferred some ink to that garment. So in this video, we're going to show you how to remove those unwanted ink stains by using a Texsource spot gun and the cured ink removal. To start, this stuff can be kind of corrosive, harsh, so we want to take a few safety precautions, safety measures. Always want to use gloves, as well as eyewear. Reason being, this shoots out a pretty fierce stream, and the splatter from hitting the shirt can bounce back. Secondly, we never want to spray the shirts head on. We always want to have something in between the shirt that separates the front from the back, because if you spray head on the shirt together, the ink can transfer from one side to the next. So if you do not have a spot cleaning station in your shop, which those we sell as well, but those have exhaust. That exhaust helps to evaporate the liquid that is sprayed on the shirt a little bit quicker. So if you don't have that type of equipment in your shop, you can always use a bucket. Sit the shirt on top of the bucket where the ink stain is. This bucket will catch the cured ink remove, and you just spray it straight off. Now when you're spraying, make sure to have a good distance between the gun and the shirt, because if you spray too close, you can damage that shirt. If you spray too far away, you might not have a good accuracy, so you want to have a pretty good distance, but not too far away. Next option is, if you don't want to use a bucket, you can always use a rag. Just simply put the rag in between the shirt, set the shirt down, make sure your hands are not underneath that rag, and then you can spray it off. This allows the rag to catch the ink that's shot through, and that ink will not transfer to the other side of your shirt. Especially if you have white shirts, that ink's going to transfer from one side to the next, and you're going to see a stain on the other side of your white shirt. Another option to be able to spray out this unwanted ink is if you have a shop vac in your screen printing shop, you can take a bucket, cut a hole in the bottom of this bucket, put the end of the hose of the shop vac, and now you have a DIY exhaust system. Alright guys, so that's how to remove unwanted ink stains from your shirt. Remember to have a safe distance between the gun and the shirt. Again, if you spray too close, it can damage that garment. Also, if you're too far away, you may not have the right accuracy and you could waste some of the chemical. Never spray this chemical directly onto your clothes or at your skin. It's very harmful. With this chemical, you can spray out uncured ink, but it doesn't work as well as spraying out cured ink. So I hope you guys liked the video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Check out other videos online. Check out our website. Check out whatever. Just visit us. Thanks.